going inside of a combine harvester. It was so rusty. We had to be careful because a lot of it was sharp.
Yeah. It's cool. Ooh, it's rusty. Rusty. So we got out. So we found our way in, and we're in the permanent blades of the combine harvester. What is that loud? Spin the bar, spin the bar. Woo! Ring around your rosy, if I do. Oh my gosh. I can't stop. Are you trying to kick him? Are you trying to kick him?